everyone, another week, another video. Welcome back to my channel. As you saw in the intro, I created a purple look last week. I already prepped my skin here. Please don't mind the blemishes that you see. I got them from wearing a mask. Anyway, let's go. So the first thing that I used after prepping my skin is this Missha BB cream or BB foundation that came as a freebie actually from one of my previous orders. I've actually heard some really nice things about this foundation, so I just spread it all over my face. I do know my shade now. It's a little bit darker than the one that the seller gave to me. And now here I'm just going to put my Innisfree concealer and just blend it out using my concealer brush. If you saw my previous videos, you know that I usually use my fingers to blend concealer onto my skin, but now I'm really enjoying the use of this concealer brush and I find it more convenient. After foundation and concealer, I'll be using this pressed powder from the German drugstore brand Essence, which is quite cheap compared to other drugstore brands, and I only bought this powder for 199 pesos. And now it's time for eyeshadow. I have these two cute palettes from Careline, which is of course a local brand, and I took this lavender shade from the Dream Catcher palette. I also used the applicator to put it on my eyelids, but I was having a little bit of a difficult time in blending it out. I also used my fingers, but I wasn't getting the results that I wanted. As you can see here, I wasn't really sure why my fingers weren't blending the eyeshadow well compared to the other eyeshadow palettes that I have, so I decided to just use my blending brush. I was able to get the results that I wanted, and this is what it looks like. I did take the applicator brush and I took the shimmering purple color and I put it under my eyelids, and I liked how it looked. The Dreamcatcher palette also had some nice gold pans, so I used them to color the inner corners of my eyes. But I didn't think that it was enough, so I took out my Squad Cosmetics palette and I took some of the gold eyeshadow and just used my fingers to dab it onto my eyelids. You can actually see the difference between the two brands. I do love the colors from Careline, however, when it comes to the gold colors and the gold shimmers, I think Squad Cosmetics is the winner here. Now it's time for eyeliner, so I just took out my Missha liquid eyeliner and I tried to create a different eye shape than what I'm used to. I also hope I did justice to it, but this is what I ended up with. I completed the eyeliner look with a pencil eyeliner for my bottom eyelid, and I also proceeded to smudge it with the applicator that I have, and then I proceeded to my eyebrows. Once I was satisfied with how my right eye looked, I just recreated it onto my left eye, minus the mistakes. And now it's time for highlight and contour. I will be using my first ever contour and highlight palette, which is this Innisfree one, and I got it a couple of years ago when I first tried to do contour on my face. Years ago, I wouldn't even dare to try to put highlight and contour on my face because I didn't know how to use them. I only saw darker shades of contour on the market and I was scared to just try it out. But once I saw Pony from Pony Syndrome blend her contour and highlight onto her face so perfectly, that's when I tried it out, and I've been enjoying putting highlight and contour ever since. By the way, for the highlighter, I used the Dyad highlighter and blush pair from Squad Cosmetics. For lipstick, I have Cashmere Rose from Butterfly Cosmetics. I wanted to make sure that it wasn't too sharp, so I softened the look by blending it with my fingertips. And let's not forget blush and mascara, which I totally forgot to do. I already took out my hair tie here, but I just put my hair back once again and finished off the job. A little bit more mascara and we're done. This is the final look that I came up with, and I'm so happy with how everything turned out. This is actually the first time that I used purple eyeshadow on myself, aside from when I played with my mom's makeup when I was in grade school, but that's about it. Also, not in any way sponsored, but I really did enjoy the Careline eyeshadow palettes that I have. They are in Color Paradise and in Dreamcatcher. I bought mine on Shopee, but I think they also are present in Lazada as well. Lastly, this is what it looks like with a filter on. I really liked how my eye color changed here and how dreamy it just looks. And if you want to see more videos and content like this, please subscribe to my channel. If you enjoyed this video as much as I did in making this, please like and share as well. You can also comment down below any suggestions of makeup looks that you want me to do, and I will do my best to follow through. So thank you once again guys for watching. I will see you on the next one. Bye!